can't send or receive messages on Pinterest. Let's get your conversations flowing again. Often, a simple app restart can clear up temporary glitches that might be interrupting your messages. Head to your phone's app settings, find Pinterest, and force stop it, then reopen the app and try sending a message again. If that doesn't work, your internet connection might be the culprit. Try switching between Wi-Fi and your mobile data, or vice versa, to see if a different connection helps. If you're on Wi-Fi, consider restarting your router by unplugging it for about 30 seconds and plugging it back in. Next, let's check if there are any outdated versions of the Pinterest app. Open your device's app store, search for Pinterest, and see if an update is available. If so, install it. Sometimes, specific account settings could be impacting messaging. Log into your Pinterest account on a web browser and navigate to your privacy settings. Ensure that direct messages are not restricted. If you can see messages but can't send, try refreshing your message inbox by pulling down on the screen. By trying these steps, you should be able to resolve most common Pinterest messaging issues and get back to connecting with your Pinterest community.